libraries and dependent because it's the core of many frameworks and libraries, like React and Vue, making it the driving force behind modern responsive web applications. Version control systems like Git help developers track and manage changes to code over time. They allow multiple people to collaborate on the same project, keep a history of edits, and make it easy to roll back to previous versions if something breaks. This makes version control an essential tool for teamwork and maintaining code quality. Package managers like npm and Yarn are tools that help you. Package managers like npm and Yarn, npm and Yarn, npm and Yarn, npm and Yarn. Package managers like npm and Yarn okay. Let's get some logos. npm. I already have that, surely. Okay, there we go. npm. Yarn. 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 The Yarn logo is a cat, right? The blue cat? That is right. Yeah. Okay. Code quality. Package managers like npm and Yarn are tools that help you manage libraries and this is such a slow process, but it has to be done. Yarn are tools that help you manage libraries and dependencies in your projects. They make it easy to install, update, and remove third-party code. If we just keep chugging along, it will be done. What do you mean, lol, is that you? Who is this man? Person? Who are you? Lol, is it you? Who else is it going to be? Somebody jumped on my account and started streaming. I can't even see who you are. Isn't that a bad streaming experience? It's not even possible for me to like see who you are, really. Isn't that terrible? Damn. Literally no way of clicking on you. You could be so abusive. I'd never know. I can't click on you. Crazy. Okay. Right. Are tools that help you manage libraries and dependencies in your projects. They make it easy to install, update, and remove third-party code, ensuring your project has everything it needs to run efficiently. Okay. Okay. Fuck. This is like a whole process of going from like nothing to GIF. It's very long. Ensuring your project has everything it needs to run efficiently while keeping your dependencies organized. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue Jesus. Okay. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. That's not how you spell Vue. React, Angular, Vue. I have these logos on my machine already. React. Angular. View. Okay. Shit logo. Good logo. Okay. Angular and React. Like React. Fuck's sake. React. Okay, we'll get rid of the React logo. Angular. This is the like inside look at what making these videos actually looks like. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. Okay, Vue popped in nicely, that's fine. Cool. While keeping your dependencies organized. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue help developers build complex user interfaces more efficiently. What we're thinking here, Bob the Builder. That's a Bob the Builder moment, isn't it, really? Bob the Builder, or... What the fuck? There's some absolutely mental Bob the Builder gifs that aren't Bob the Builder. What the fuck? Okay. This one will do anyway. dependencies organized. Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue help developers build complex user interfaces more efficiently. They provide reusable components and state management tools, making it easier to
Okay, a big cop-out is just making this big and not doing any GIFs. It's a cop-out, but it's fine.
making it easier to create dynamic, interactive applications. React is popular for its making it easier to create dynamic, interactive applications.
Okay, what are we getting for dynamic? Oh god. Dynamic. Oh, I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Guess I'll use this one. Looks fun, right?
Making it easier to create dynamic, interactive applications. React is popular for its component-based approach.
Component-based approach. Component? Nope. Component. Component. Let's do like building blocks. Okay, which is kind of cool. React is popular.
React is popular for its component-based approach, Angular for its powerful features.
Powerful features? What? That's got to be Thanos, right? Oops. Tell you what, making videos for a work brand is fun, but it doesn't half kill your desire to want to do it for yourself. Quite sad. Oh, I have food. What the fuck? They made them smaller. Criminal behaviour. These used to be a lot bigger. Okay, I'll get a bit of Cristiano, yeah? Bit of Ronaldo. There you go.
And Vue for its simplicity and flexibility.
Okay, we need some more music. I can't. Listening to myself talk of no music. We're actually nearly there. Nearly not. I'm not entirely sure. Almost. Not really. Damn.
Choosing the right framework often depends on project needs and team preferences.
They can all be big. I'd happily make a video that was just big letters in the middle of the screen. But I can't do that. That's not very attractive, is it? What's good? This cheese toasty is pretty good, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Although I do hate that everyone makes everything smaller all the time. Nobody's providing food at a restaurant and they'll randomly make it bigger. Will they? They either keep it the same and raise the price, or they'll keep the price the same and lower the size. It's like, come on. I just want a good cheese toasty.
Team preferences. Learning any of these will help you build.
What was that?
Learning any of these will help.
Why did I sound like a demon then?
Team preferences. Learning any of these will help you build scalable and maintainable front-end applications.
Scalable and maintainable. Scalable has to be climbing a building, right? Let's get one of them crazy free climbers. A lunatic who climbs without any equipment. Madman. Actually. Scalable.
Learning any of these will help you build scalable and maintainable front-end applications.
Maintainable. What's a good GIF for maintainable? Maintainable. Maintaining. Maintenance. Okay, I found someone. A little bit cringe, but it works. There you go. Don't hate on it too much.
Learning any of these will help you build scalable and maintainable front-end applications. CSS architecture is about organizing your styles to keep them maintainable. Is about organize. It's about org. It's about org.
Okay. Can you see the vision here? Man, the pub outside, they just always smash glass bottles around. So annoying. sick. This is an excuse to get a Dragon Ball. We have a Dragon Ball GIF.
CSS architecture is about organizing your styles to keep them maintainable as your project grows. CSS architecture is about organizing your styles to keep them maintainable as your project grows. Techniques like BEM, block element modifier, and preprocessors like Sass or PostCSS help Techniques like BEM, block element modifier,
BEM.
Techniques like BEM, block element modifier, Techniques like BEM, block element modifier, and preprocessors like Sass or PostCSS help.
Sass logo. Anyone even use Sass anymore? SASS. I don't even remember the use of it, really. Was there any use? Sass and PostCSS. Who even uses that anymore? Preprocessors like
And preprocessors like Sass or PostCSS
PostCSS.
PostCSS.
It's a strange logo, isn't it? Very strange.
Like Sass or PostCSS help structure CSS to avoid conflicts and ensure consistency. CSS helps structure CSS to avoid conflicts and ensure consistency. These tools allow developers to write cleaner, modular styles.
Sorry if you can hear my daughter crying, it's kind of cringe. Hello. Okay, you get groceries. I'm trying to lock in, I'm probably not going to engage too much.
These tools allow developers to write cleaner, modular styles, making large-scale projects easier to manage and modify.
Large scale.
Making large making large-scale projects easier to manage and modify without breaking existing designs.
Oh, fudge.
Build tools like Webpack, Vite, and SBuild.
Yes, build. Building. Oh, sick! We can get a Minecraft. Minecraft time. Somehow we found an excuse to use a Squidward Minecraft GIF. I'm not sure how, but I think it can fit. Look, build tools.
Build tools like build tools like Webpack, Vite, and SBuild or
Webpack. Webpack. Vite. Super Vite. And SBuild. ESBuild. Is SBuild not just Vite? What's that new one, by the way? What's it called? Void? No. Somebody commented on it. Somebody was very quick to correct me on a TikTok. They were like, "Oh, actually, what you're saying isn't the best, actually, guys." They said, "Yeah, Void 0." We'll have a look at that afterwards. Not now. I am far too busy. Okay, Webpack.
Webpack, Vite.
Man, this fucking lag pisses me off.
Build tools like Webpack, Vite, breaking existing designs. Build tools like Webpack, Vite.
Actually annoys me.
Vite, and SBuild.
Automate repetitive tasks. Obviously, we have to get the automatons up in here, don't we? Automatons. Automaton. How do you even spell it? Automaton. Automaton, yeah. Apparently not. Okay, I got them. Got the automatons.
And build tools like Webpack, Vite, and sbuild automate repetitive tasks such as bundling files, minifying code, and optimizing assets. Minifying code and optimizing assets. Newer tools like Bun and Runtime.
How does that? It's clearly bun. What do you mean burn? Fucking burn. I don't say burn.
Human, please. Hello. I'm okay. I'm very busy. I'm trying to smash out this video. I've done so many videos this week. It's unreal. I've edited like a lot. We published this one yesterday. Oh, 4 notifications. Wow. This is so creative. I know. I know. I know. This one went out yesterday. This was a 54-minute video talk with Bruno.
Oh, hey Dan.
Do you remember? You were on the stream where we like reached out to Bruno to ask him, right? We've had the interview and I created this whole video. Look, big old chat.
Eat the frog in the morning. I'm doing the record. Made that portfolio and I just posted it like yeah, whatever. I made this. I remember I just wrote the tweet like in a few seconds and posted it.
Yeah, look.
Like, oh, okay, I made this portfolio and wow, that blew up crazy because I just posted it. I started being
really,
shy.
really good guy.
And the fun part, especially in web development,
like I learned. Like, I do these interviews for Roadmap, right? It's marketing, isn't it? At the end of the day, like link up with someone popular, do a little collaboration, everybody wins. But it's not about that, because he was just full of knowledge, like insane knowledge. Like everything. Well, that's Roadmap's YouTube, not mine. I have YouTube as well. I have YouTube, but because I'm making so much content for Roadmap, I don't have enough time to make my own content. But I have a plan. This is my YouTube. I only have 200. Oh, I'm live on YouTube right now. I forgot about that. I don't have much on here. I'm kind of focusing on shorts. Wow, this 3JS one did terrible. 3JS is a powerful and widely used JavaScript library. That one did terrible. Anyway, I'm planning on fixing this. Anyway, I really have to work. Minifying code and optimizing assets. Newer tools like Bun and runtime environments like Deno. React 3 Fiber. So the next 2 shorts that I'm going to do for my own channel are Gleam and Void. The Void runtime, which isn't even released yet, I don't think. Is it even out yet? I don't even know if it's out yet. But this is the new one, isn't it? This is the daddy. They're not giving much information. They just had a bunch of funding, like 4.6 million funding. Yes, I'm gonna do a video on that. Anyway, bun logo, bun logo, bun, bun, bun. Bun? Not the same bun. Ads, whoops. Maybe you should subscribe. Bun and runtime environments like oh, that's not good, is it? Oh dear. How do I make it white? Do I have time to do this? Probably not. Fudge. Oh wait. It's not. It's not. Oh no. Oh. Oh ah. I'm gonna delete it. Cursors. They're all SVG. They're all PNGs. Deno white. Give me a white logo, man. That'll do. That'll do. You know what I noticed yesterday? I've been doing short form content for a long time, right? And when you make short form content, you spend all the time and effort doing the editing, right? Then you just throw it out there, post it. They don't require descriptions. They don't require thumbnails. Thumbnails for long forms, holy. That's like phase 2 of the video. You can't just like, you have to think about that. Time environments like Deno are gaining popularity for their speed and modern features. Linters like ESLint and formatters like Prettier. ESLint. Man, all these small tools have logos, don't they? Prettier. I like Prettier's logo though. Got a lot of time for that. Isn't there one called Shittier? That like makes your code worse for some reason. I'm pretty sure there is. Yeah, there is one. Like, what? Why? Look. A code formatting tool that aims to make it look as bad as possible. It's the opposite of Prettier. Random indentation, mixed case madness, spacing nightmares. It's just... Yeah. It's got 7 weekly downloads, by the way. Don't know why.
It exists. Ooh, catch and enforce. This is like police, right? Catch and enforce. The prettier police.
Formatters like Prettier catch errors and enforce code standards, making sure your code is clean and consistent across the entire team.
It's gotta be, right? It's gotta be, my guys. Okay, we're nearly done. We're actually nearly done. What the fuck? Are we nearly done? 6 minutes. Oh my god, are we even halfway? Fuck. We're we're only halfway. Okay. It's fine. And we still have to do like a timeline at the top, shifting between topics. It's fine. I got to enjoy it. It is enjoyable. I just like. It'd be cool if I could make my own content, you know, get paid. But I cannot.
Testing is a crucial part of front-end development that ensures your applications run smoothly.
Smooth. Well, obviously this is going to be the one. All we have to do is keep banging out good GIFs. Banging them out. I hope Andros doesn't raid me today because it's going to be pretty boring for his raiders.
Testing is a crucial part of front-end development that ensures your applications run smoothly and deliver a great user experience. It's divided into three main types.
Also, a really important thing that Bruno told me was don't make content creation into a burden. You shouldn't think about it too much. You should just do it, put it out there.
It's divided in.
It's about the message, not the. Well, how you deliver it's important, but beyond that, it's kind of just time, isn't it? In my talk with him, you can. I don't think I showed it. I think I cut out most of my talking, but I was telling him how like the short. So on TikTok, I do two types of content. One type of content is like edited shorts, right? And the other is just on my phone, pointing at the screen and talking. Them ones take 2 minutes. Let's be generous and say they take 3 minutes from opening the app to posting it, right? They always do better. Always. And they take a fraction of the time.
It's divided into three main types: unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing.
Okay, unit testing. Like I'm really going for like the least amount of time it takes to do a bit of content. Really, is what I'm going to aim for. Like the whole handheld thing is still like coming back, it seems. This bit here is just gonna have to be big as well, really. I don't really have much choice.
Unit tests focus on individual components.
You can have a man waving for this, right? Just a man waving. Individual components. Wacky, wavy, inflatable tube man. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, I got him.
Unit tests focus on individual components. Integration tests check how components work together.
That one's got that one. This one has to be the Drake one, right? Has to be. I use this one all the time. Wait. You'll see which one I mean. It's this one every time. Where is it? Here we go. This one. I use this one so much, but I like it.
Integration tests check how components work together, and end-to-end tests simulate real user interactions.
Oh, this one could be Roller Coaster Tycoon. That simulates real user stuff, right?
And end-to-end tests simulate real user interactions.
At art school, we had two ways about going over these types of productions. We either create a draft real quick from A to Z, then do multiple facets to clean it up. I do a combination. I will do the script first, and then get the voice. So I'll have all the audio. Then I will do the auto captions. So then I'll have audio and auto captions with the background. And then I do a pass over to put all the visuals. And then I do a final pass to do any like sound effects. Basically. Like you'll see at the start, if we go to the very start of the video, I have sound effects. Look.
Hey everyone, this is Dan from roadmap.sh and welcome to the front-end roadmap overview. In this video, we will follow the roadmap from start to finish and stop at each topic to give a brief explanation. If at any point you want to check out the roadmap for yourself, you can visit roadmap.sh/frontend, where you will find the full roadmap and a link to a short, more concise version which is aimed at beginners. Let's start our journey at the very beginning. What is the internet? The internet is a global network of interconnected computers that talk with each other using a standard set of protocols. Think of it as a giant web that connects devices worldwide, allowing them to share information. It works using a combination of devices like routers, servers, and cables.
Do you like that bit? Yeah. Do you get the pun?
Servers and cables.
Yeah. Cable. Very good. Okay. Still got a lot more to do.
Popular tools include Jest for unit testing.
Jest, not just.
Popular tools include Jest for unit testing.
Good, I'm glad you're hooked. And the aim here is that hopefully this style of video pops and then I can basically do it all the time. That's the aim here.
User interactions. Popular tools include Jest for
Jest. Jest test. Jest test. Jest test.
Jest for unit testing. React testing library for
React testing library. The React testing library is a octopus. Yeah, I know. But I'm not mentioning everything all the time. Otherwise it will never end, right? That's the problem, it's kind of
Popular tools include Jest for unit testing, React testing library for component testing, and Cypress for full user flows.
Exactly. We get it with the roadmaps. People are always asking to add new tools, like the tool that they like using, they want to add to the roadmap. It's like if we did that for every single person who likes a certain tool, the roadmaps would be infinite. You may as well not even make them, really. Okay, if we just like don't stop, we can do this video. It's gonna happen.
React testing library for component testing, and Cypress for full user flows. Prioritizing testing early helps catch bugs fast. Prioritizing testing early helps catch bugs faster, leading to more reliable and maintainable code.
Target audience, the EU and the US, basically. Software developers in the US EU regions, they are the target audience. Yeah, well, beginners are usually teens, early 20s, right?
Prioritizing testing early helps catch bugs faster, leading to more reliable and maintainable code. Authentication strategy early helps catch bugs faster, leading to more reliable and maintainable code. Authentication strategies are essential for securing your application and managing user sessions.
To bear in mind at the end as well, I'm going to have like a timeline at the top here that will shift. So it'll have like the previous topic, the current topic, and the next topic. And it will like shift as we hit each phase. That's the plan. Stan. Or Dan, I guess.
Main strategies include JWT, JSON Web Token.
Who's JSON Web? Jason Webb, never heard of him. Very good. Oh, look at this banger of a strategy GIF, by the way.
The main strategies include JW.
Okay. JWT, they have their own logo. How is that a thing? How does JWT
Jason Webb
JWT.io? I'm gonna click that strange link you just sent me. Okay, I'll use that. That's gonna yeah, I'll use that for the Jason Webb tokens. Okay, yeah, that's getting used.
Main strategies include JWT.
So we'll add the logo here. Logo first. Then okay.
JWT Jason Webb tokens for stateless authentication. OAuth for secure act.
Very good. OAuth. Damn, the OAuth logo is terrible. If you're watching and you work for OAuth, I'm sorry, but it's terrible.
OAuth for secure access delegation. SSO, single sign-on. For unified login across.
Banger. SSO one.
Delegation. SSO, single sign-on. For unified login across multiple platforms. Basic auth for simple. Basic auth for simple.
Why do you think I'm saying oath? I'm clearly saying auth. Jesus.
Basic auth for simple HTTP-based authentication, and session auth for server-based session management.
I guess I can't fathom that I might say the word auth.
Choosing the right strategy depends on your application's security.
I instantly need more coffee.
Choosing the right strategy depends on your application's security needs and architecture.
Good. Maybe you can help them get a better logo. It's not that good. We're nearly there.
Type checkers help catch errors early in your code by ensuring variables and functions have the correct data types.
Obviously we need to have data, you know, data from Star Trek. None of the Zoomers will know anything to do with Star Trek at all, obviously. You know, Zoomers were born, like, if you're born in 1997, you're a Zoomer. Isn't that crazy?
Type checkers help catch errors early in your code by ensuring variables and functions have the correct data types. Popular tools include TypeScript, which adds strong...
TypeScript is just a tool. Hopefully that triggers people. It is a tool. It's a tool. It's just a tool. It adds types to JavaScript. It's a tool. It's a JavaScript tool. Get over it.
which adds strong...
I'm actually 91 as well. I am also 1991.
which adds strong typing to JavaScript. Popular tools include TypeScript, which adds strong typing.
May. Why did I just get a sudden feeling that you're also May? Okay, so you're older than me. You're my elder.
Include TypeScript, which adds strong typing to JavaScript, and Flow from Facebook, which...
Did you know that? Did you know about Flow? Bet you didn't, did you? Bet you didn't. Everybody's obsessed with TypeScript. But what about Flow?
to JavaScript, and Flow from Facebook. Facebook.
Obviously, we need to get a Zuckerberg one, a Zuckerberg thing here, don't we? Can't have that one. The only Zuckerberg GIF you can have now is the updated ones, isn't it? Really, since he's cool now.
Strong typing to JavaScript, and Flow from Facebook, which provides static type checking.
Yeah, he's not a robot anymore, so we can't dunk on him anymore. He's cool now.
Using type checkers can prevent common bugs.
Bugs.
Using type checkers can prevent common bugs, improve code readability.
He got a black belt in judo. Fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, the thing is with Mark Zuckerberg is that he hangs out. He has the money, right, and the fame to be able to get trained by whoever he wants. Like, he trains with Mikey Musumeci casually, and trains with like Volkanovski and stuff. He trains with like the highest of high-end athletes. casually. The guy goes in the corner at UFC fights.
Type checking. Using type checkers can prevent common bugs, improve code readability, and make your application more robust, especially in larger projects.
I'm sure, part of me, I don't know if it was a conscious thing that happened with him. Like, I don't know if, like, his marketing team were like, you need to be cool, right? I think he just found jiu-jitsu to help balance his life out a little bit from all the stress of running fucking meta. And he just got absorbed by the community. That's what I think happened. I think that it's a genuine shift, in my opinion. He just became cool. Why are you laughing at jiu-jitsu? I have a fucking jiu-jitsu top on right now. Yeah, well, same difference. Ads.
SR, or server-side rendering, is a technique where the HTML for a page is generated on the HTML for a page is generated on the server instead of the client.
Server instead of the client. Okay, so what do we do? What do we do here? I think we do this, right? I think we go... Blah, 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 blah. Yesterday... It's now an ASMR thing. I hope you hated that. Whoa, that's a big ass computer. Yeah, there's no jiu-jitsu even in that movie. It's fucking wild. I don't know what they were doing. It's pretty wild. Okay, here's what we need to do here. We need to add a tick, a check, a tick, there you go. A tick in green. And a cross in red. Grr. We don't like that. And then it should do this nicely. Let's have a look, shall we? Yay, it worked. Okay, file. Export. Animated GIF. You see how much I'm putting into this? Aren't I just... quite frankly, incredible. I didn't want to say it myself, but... the commitment that I have making my own GIFs is just extraordinary.
HTML for a page is generated on the server instead of the client. This approach improves initial load times
speaking of like watching things,
So as you know, I got an iPhone, and I got 3 months, 3 months free of Apple TV, right? This approach improves initial load times, SEO, and me and my fiance, over the last like 3 nights, watched Presumed Innocent. That shit was good. Very good. I love Jake Gyllenhaal. He is like my favourite actor of all time. I think I worked out last night that I've seen everything he's ever done, apart from there was one he did in 2022 apparently called Ambulance, which I haven't seen. SEO and overall performance, as users see a fully rendered page faster. Frameworks like Next.js and Next.js and Next.js. Next. Keep going. Keep on trucking. Next.js by Vercel. Is there a white logo? There is a white logo. Okay. Next.js, Next.js. Frameworks like Next.js and Next.js fully rendered page faster. Frameworks like Next.js and Next.js are popular for implementing SSR in React and Vue applications. Making it easier to optimize your front end for speed and search engine visibility. GraphQL is a... How long is the work? What do you mean, how long is the work? I'm working for the next 7 hours. Yeah, long. Okay, if you're a Docker captain, you get a bunch of swag. I could be a Docker captain. I could do that. They got socks, stickers, and a bottle. I could definitely do that. What do you have to do to be a Docker captain? Can I not finish in 3 hours? No. No. It is a skill issue. Maybe I should work for myself and not for a company. Vue applications, making it easier to optimize your front end for speed. Optimize. Optimus Prime, obviously, right? There's so many good Optimus Prime gifts that I can't use. I kind of want to see that new movie as well. Luckily, I have an 8-year-old son, so I'm actually allowed to go and watch all these movies and not look like a weird guy. making it easier to optimize your front end for speed and search engine visibility.
Search engine visibility. There you go.
Speed and search engine visibility. GraphQL is a
GraphQL is a thing.
GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows clients to request exactly the data they need.
GraphQL. So I wouldn't allow that. I made an appointment at our office of commerce the same day. What are you talking about? That doesn't seem like it's related. Let me check. I don't see it. It's about working for yourself. Why can't I see it? I've been protected, am I? Nilo, hello. I have a company set up to work for myself. I have Happy Pizza Studio. Happy Pizza. Oh, I see it. Then why not just do it? I was talking about it for years till my best friend said you're a pussy if you don't start that business tomorrow. In fact, if you don't make an appointment now, I'm going to call you a bitch till the end of days. Okay, well, I do have my own business. So, there you go. I guess you can't call me a bitch. And I do have my own company. I have two, actually. Okay, GraphQL. And the problem is, it's all well and good to say like, oh, just do it. Just quit your job and work for yourself. Yeah, well, I have kids and a mortgage. It's not as easy as that.
GraphQL is a query language for APIs that
Trust me, if I didn't have a family, a few things would happen. One, I wouldn't be in this country. Two, I would probably have a van. And three, I'd be just living with a dog in a van, chilling.
making it easier to optimize your front end for speed and search engine visibility. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows clients to request exactly the data they need.
But I shouldn't say unfortunately. Fortunately, every single decision and thing that I do is to support my family, which is good for them, I guess. Well, I mean, you can find the good points of both, can't you? You could also say that with a family, you drift endlessly because you cannot leave, right? Hey, Plex.
Reducing overfetching or underfetching. Unlike REST, where you have multiple endpoints, GraphQL uses a single endpoint to handle all.
GraphQL. Let me take an image from GraphQL docs. It's an, I mean, that's an okay logo. It's okay. Like, I shouldn't be overthinking. I'm overburdening myself here.
Reducing overfetching or underfetching. Unlike REST, where you have multiple endpoints, GraphQL uses a GraphQL uses a single endpoint to handle all requests.
Single endpoint. Ooh. No. You know what single endpoint is, don't you? Yeah. Single. Nah. I'll show you the single endpoint. Boom. Loki spoilers.
You have multiple endpoints. GraphQL uses a single endpoint to handle all requests. It supports powerful features like nested queries, real-time updates with subscriptions,
Did you like that? Like that Loki reference, yeah. Why was that program so good, by the way? Like, the second, was it the second season? The second season, right? That's what it ended on. There was only 2 seasons. So good. It had no reason to be that good.
It supports powerful features like nested queries, real-time updates with subscriptions, and a strongly typed schema. Progressive with subscriptions and a strongly typed schema.
Okay, now we can do the Hulk one, right? Strongly typed. It'll be funny after just having him there, so you know. Couple of Loki references. Not to mention that the actor is like incredibly good as well.
With subscriptions and a strongly typed schema. Progressive web apps and a strongly typed schema. Progressive web apps, PWAs,
PWAs. Progressive web app.
progressive web apps, PWAs, are web applications that provide a native app-like experience in the browser.
It's not difficult, you just focus on the web. You just have Spider-Man. What the fuck? Some of these fucking GIFs. What the fuck? And sometimes the GIFs don't even need to make sense. They just have to make you keep watching, right?
PWAs are web applications that provide a native app-like experience in the browser. They are fast, reliable, and can work offline. For anything that mentions fast, I have to have the flash. I always do. Oh, yeah, okay. I like the idea of not having it captioned, so like this. Like those who know will know what it's saying, right? Experience in the browser. They are fast, reliable, and can work offline using service workers. PWAs can be installed on a user's device. This video is gonna fucking slap. You know what's annoying? It's not for my YouTube channel. That's the worst thing about it. PWAs can be installed on a user's device, send push notifications. The Homelander push. Yeah. Yes. I'm on a fucking roll right now. Send push notifications and load instantly even in poor network conditions. Service workers. PWAs can be installed on a user's device, send push notifications, and load instantly even in poor network conditions. With technologies like web app manifests and indexed DB, did I voice it myself, or was it AI? Well, it's my voice. What do you mean, Plexi? It's my voice. You know, it's me. I didn't professionally clone my voice in order to get studio quality sound every single time. I didn't do that. Send push notifications and load instantly even in poor net. What the fuck is heygen.com? Why? I already use 11 Labs. Look. You didn't see anything. You don't know what you're talking about. Hey, Human and Plexi. Hey, Human and Plexi. Hey guys, I 100% did not use 11 Labs to make this video. I didn't. I know what you're talking about. It just sounds like me, you know? Okay. You want me to go, Japanese? Okay. 皆さん、私はこのビデオを作るのに Eleven Labs を 100% 使用していません。It does keep crashing though, look at this. It's kind of cringe. Anyway, there's nothing wrong cloning your own voice. I do not have a recording studio here. I gave 11 Labs. I sat here and recorded 2.5 hours of my voice. And then paid to get it professionally cloned, which took another 3 hours of training to now have studio perfect quality every single time. Sure, if you want to. I don't know if that'll help you much. This device, send push notifications, and load instantly even in poor network conditions. With technologies like web app manifests and indexed DB, I mean, you tell me, do you think it's bad? Do you think it's bad, like, cloning my own voice? No, we don't need anything there. It's large text. With technologies like web app manifest, I don't think it's bad cloning my own voice. Like, it's my voice, you know. Exactly. Like, and I'm doing this as a job. I don't clone for my own videos usually. With technologies like web app manifests and indexed DB, PWAs offer enhanced user engagement. Enhanced user engagement. What we thinking? iPad kid. Fireship.io uses he's been cloning his own voice for a long time. I mean, the guy sounds like a robot anyway. The PWA indexed DB, PWAs offer enhanced user engagement and better performance for modern web applications. Static site gen. Why are you saying Remotion? Make videos programmatically. What the fuck is this? Do I want to see this?
We're not angry.
This is going to be a game changer.
Pose for your selfies.
But what do we get in return?
Biscuits, juice boxes,
Mints?
grown-ups of Britain.
Do better.
We know you can.
No one seems to know this, but
Oh
Amazon
my god.
actually
I'll tell you what, every single day I get that much closer to paying for YouTube.
Different. I threw away all my fancy editing tools like Adobe Premiere and After Effects, and instead did all the editing with JavaScript code thanks to a tool called Remotion, which allows you to create video content programmatically with React. When you think about it, a video is just a function of images over time. Every second, we might render 60 still images or frames, each one changing slightly to create an animation.
Okay. But do I have to still make the video? But in JavaScript? Because that just sounds like more work. I can make a short in 15 minutes. Right? The shorts that I make, 15, 20 minutes, start to finish. Like for my shorts on my channel.
React is a great tool for describing UIs that change over time, so why not use
I'll have a look this weekend. What's this? For individuals. Okay, cool. Okay, I mean, sure. I mean, you've seen how I make videos. This is how I make videos. And obviously, if I'm doing like a short, then it's going to be way faster than it is now. But if, hey, you know, the thing is, I have a template. Like I have a definite way of making videos, right? Like all my shorts are the same.
What is a buffer? Buffers are memory spaces that temporarily hold data while it is being moved between different components of a system. Imagine a restaurant kitchen where cooks are making dishes and waiters are serving them. If the cooks make food faster than the waiters can serve, the kitchen needs a counter space to hold the plates temporarily. If the counter space fills up, the cooks either have to slow down or start discarding food. This counter space is the buffer, balancing the pace between the two groups. What is a buffer?
There you go. Okay, well, I'll try it. For sure. I will definitely try it.
Pre-build HTML pages at build time. Static site generators, SSGs, pre-build HTML pages at build time. SSGs, pre-build HTML pages at build time, resulting in faster load times, improved security, and better SEO.
How much would it cost me to do my voice like yours at 11 Labs outside of just time? My voice like yours? What do you mean? As in... What exactly do you mean? Like, to clone your voice? You have to have the creator tier, which is like $19 a month, I think. Well worth it though. Like, I'm making content every day, so it's well worth it.
Time, resulting in faster load times, improved security,
That would be funny, wouldn't it? So you can also do speech to speech. There's a lot of things on 11 Labs that I haven't tried.
improved times, improved security, and better SEO. Popular SSGs include Next.js,
We already have a Next.js logo, right? You can just reuse that. Next.
Popular SSGs include Next.js, Gatsby for React.
And Gatsby is like, I started with Gatsby. I like made my first websites, like for people with Gatsby. Okay, we only have like a minute left. We're doing very good. But then we have to do the animation. Fuck. Then we're not even done.
Include Next.js, Gatsby for React, Jekyll.
Jekyll. Yeah, you get 50% off. I didn't get that because I was a previous user and I was an idiot. I could have just created a new account. I fucking didn't. Wait, you can use my code as well, by the way. On Twitch, I have an affiliate code. Like in the About section.
Jekyll for Ruby.
It's down below somewhere. Let me find it. I mean, you'll probably find it just as fast as me. Yeah, you got it. I can't even paste it anyway. I'm definitely going to look at this Remotion. If I can like use it to like programmatically create videos, I'll definitely use it. I'll spend some time this weekend figuring it out.
Gatsby for React, Jekyll for Ruby, and Astro. For Ruby,
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I think it's a really cool idea, to be honest.
Jekyll
We'll
for
see what
Ruby,
happens.
and Astro.
Bearing in mind that there is actually there's a fucking API for 11 Labs as well, so you could programmatically do the entire thing, realistically.
Popular SSGs include Next.js, Gatsby for React, Jekyll for Ruby, and Astro, which stands out for its minimal JavaScript approach and support for multiple frameworks. Which stands out for its minimal JavaScript approach and support for multiple frameworks. SSGs are ideal for
Damn. Imagine you just didn't do anything. Like, imagine you just... Like, how automated can you make it? How hands-off can you make it?
support for multiple frameworks. SSGs are ideal for content-heavy sites like blogs and documentation. SSGs are ideal for content-heavy sites. frameworks. SSGs are ideal for content-heavy sites like blogs and documentation.
I need to watch like more. I need to watch that video, don't I? Really. I'll tell you what. After we've made this video, I will watch the Fireship video.
Frameworks. SSGs are ideal for content-heavy sites like blogs and documentation, offering a balance between speed and simplicity.
I do want creative juice. Yes. I love creative juices.
Offering a balance between speed and simplicity. For building mobile apps, there are three main frameworks to consider.
For building, I have all the creative juices I need inside my mind. I am good.
React Native, Flutter, and Ionic.
React Native. We're so nearly done. We have less than a minute of content left.
React Native, Flutter.
You see, my way around beating plagiarism is to just like not look at anything else. I just don't. I try not to like look at anything really, and then and then it's all mine, right? That's what Mitch Lucker from Suicide Silence, he used to say. He doesn't listen to metal because he doesn't want to be influenced.
React Native.
Being influenced is one thing. I don't mind being influenced, but you know, that's what they said, isn't it? Everything has already been said, but it hasn't been said by you.
There are three main frameworks to consider: React Native, Flutter, and Ionic.
You can have that for free, by the way, if you want. It is super important, I think, like, obviously, it doesn't mean, like, say the exact same words as someone else, but, like, if somebody's made a video on what you sent me, fucking Remotion, there could be 1,000 videos on this, but your experience with it and how you tell it hasn't been done. People might learn more from your way of doing it.
There are three main frameworks to consider: React Native, Flutter, and Ionic. React Native uses JavaScript.
Full stop. React Native uses JavaScript.
React Native uses JavaScript and allows for a native look and feel on iOS and Android.
What shit emoji? I'm not putting a shit emoji anywhere.
A native look and feel.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Cheap viewers on streamboo.com, everyone. Upsetting Fixing is offering cheap viewers. Fuck yeah. Hey, I'm at $40. I'm at $40 on Twitch. I don't get paid until I hit 50. So, give me some of those cheap viewers.
A native look and feel on iOS and Android. Wow, I just typed in native to Giphy. I am not using any of those. A native look and feel on. I noticed we don't have the Canadian guy in here anymore. Hopefully he finally actually sorted his life out and doesn't stay up till like 4 AM anymore. Oh yeah, I know. If it was forever, I'd be cancelling mine, creating a new account, and doing it again. Dingus. iOS and Android. Android. A native look and feel on iOS and Android. Flutter by Google uses Dart. We're so close. So painfully close. Google uses Dart. Dart uses Dart. You know, it's funny that, like, after this, I've got so much more to do. Flutter by Google uses Dart and provides a high-performance UI with a single code base. We'll do the thumbnail another point. I'm not doing the thumbnail today. And provides a high-performance UI with a single code base. What can I do for single code base? Single code base. Nothing. I'll just make it big. With a single code base. Ionic uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making it easy to build cross-platform apps. Fuck, man. This is so long. This is actually killing me, honestly. Just need to push through. It's Friday. Uses web technology. Ionic uses web technologies like HTML. Yeah, well, I have a meeting at 4:30, so unfortunately not.
HTML.
HTML, CSS.
CSS. This is the last topic though.
CSS and
This is the last topic. After it's the outro. JavaScript.
UI with a single code base. Ionic uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making it easy to build cross-platform apps. Choosing the right one depends on your existing skills.
You know what you should do right now? You should use Remotion. That's what you should do. And then tell me how good it is. That would be good.
Apps. Choosing the right one depends on your existing skills and the type of user experience you want to create.
I can't even find something for this. Let's just use this one.
Existing skills and the type of user experience you want to create. Once you've mastered the front-end developer roadmap, it's worth checking out some of our other roadmaps. Such as TypeScript, Node.js, or
Right. Let's get a screenshot of TypeScript.
roadmaps such as TypeScript.
We're on the home straight.
Checking out some of our other roadmaps such as TypeScript, Node.js, or full stack. Other roadmaps such as TypeScript, Node.js, or full stack, if you want to take a deeper dive into some of the topics covered on the front-end roadmap. Checking out some of our other roadmaps such as TypeScript, Node.js, or full stack, if you want to take a deeper dive into some of the topics covered on the front-end roadmap. Suppose you find any issues with any of our roadmaps. Front-end roadmap. Suppose you find any issues with any of our roadmaps, such as outdated information, or any of the content links.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna be here just crushing it, I guess. Need to do some sort of animations next, which is gonna be difficult.
Roadmap. Suppose you find any issues with any of our roadmaps, such as outdated information, or any of the content links. In that case, we encourage you to hop on GitHub.
Just hop on GitHub, you know. Obviously.
Information, or any of the content links. In that case, we encourage you to hop on GitHub and report them as issues. Encourage you to hop on GitHub information, or any of the content links. In that case, we encourage you to hop on GitHub and report them as issues, or better yet, submit a PR to fix it yourself. Or better yet, submit a PR to fix it yourself. We also have a Discord community with
some of the Discord things, holy crap. Can't use most of these GIFs. No, we have a normal one.
We also have a Discord community with over 20. We also have a Discord community with over 26,000. We also have a Discord community with over 26,000 members, so any problems or questions you have can be solved there.
Done. The end. Mr. Beast said you should have abrupt endings. Done.
But we're not done. We're not done yet. Whole video. No, he doesn't mean cliffhangers, he means just end. Fucking drills, man. Okay, I need to have a timeline now. I feel like I could do this. I need to have a moving timeline. I'm not sure it needs to move though. I'm not sure it needs to move. I don't think it does. Let's try. Let's try somehow. Let's try do something. So the first one is internet. Internet is the first one. Whatever. Just fucking make it white. No fill. Add a horizontal line with vertical lines and just change the color of the active line or something. Well, I'm going to try and do this first. Wait. So I'm going to try. Just have like a white dotted line. That's like 15 big or something. It's this, right? But I need it to move, and let me try this. This should work, but I don't know if it will. Not sure if it'll do what I want it to do. Yeah, that worked, right? And then And then all I have to do is this after that. All I have to do is this, look. I then just keep doing this. Fuck off, Grammarly. Grammarly, fuck off. Yeah, but fuck, I'm a fucking genius, man. Legitimate genius. Okay, before we do, it's not tedious. It's not tedious. It's fine. We just need to a video 50 more. No, not 50, you lunatic. Not even close. Look. The hard thing here will be controlling it properly. This is going to be the hard thing, right? So, internet first, right? So, it's too blurry. What is the internet? The internet is a global... It's a GIF, so I can't cut it up. This is the problem. If I can export it as a video file, a high quality video file, yeah, I mean the problem right now is it isn't good enough quality. That's the problem. I want to export as I want to export it as a movie. I know what I can do. Because the movie I can literally just stop. No, we'll see what happens, won't we? Don't think it's going to be that bad. So obviously it looks like this at the minute, but I can just do this. That's ugly as fuck. Fuck. We know. I know I would, but I fucking can't afford it. Let's just make these like 60. You can export transparent, you can. The transparent video is going to be the best way to do it. Resolution, very large, frame. It's the best it can be.
see what happens. See how this looks while it's bigger. Oh, look at it, it's terrible quality.
What is the internet? The internet is a global network of interconnected computers that talk.
The timeline's good though. Nah, I'm not believing this is the best it can be. You can export with transparent background. I know you can. People do it all the time. Do I just make the whole back? Do I just get rid of the background?
I need to go move the car.
have background no fill. That's exactly what I've done. I don't have this option. Whatever, I don't have this. Look. If I go Keynote, I have current fill, no fill. Look, I can have a color fill, no fill. File. Export movie. Resolution custom. Oh, we got it. Yes. Custom. Well, I should probably make it the same. Same resolution, right? I guess that's fine. Frame rate, fucking 60. Compression. Apple ProRes. Well, we'll see, won't we? I can make it smaller. It's fine. Fuck it. Fuck it. We're doing it. See what happens. Oh yeah, look at this. Good shit. I should probably make it... scale down to like 75.
Very beginning. What is the internet? The internet is a global network of interconnected computers that talk with each other using a standard set of protocols.
See, and then we just cut it to where we start HTML, which is like all the way down here.
As a user, HTML or hyper.
But now, oh, now I can do this. Look, I can. I need to like freeze this. Okay, go do it. Thanks for all of your help. Why the fuck can't I freeze for longer? Oh wait, okay, I could just like do the frozen clip over and over again, right?
And content delivery, all happening within milliseconds, making it seem instant for you as a user. HTML, or hypertext markup language.
Oh, thank you. I'll try to stream more, but it's just gets a bit long, doesn't it? Okay, it's time to do this over and over again. Okay. After JavaScript, what do we have? CSS, JavaScript. Version control. Version control. Package managers. After package managers, frameworks. Really? Frameworks. CSS architecture. CSS architectures. Build tools. My goodness, look at the framework, couldn't I?
front end, build tools, testing, authentication. Testing. Auth. Type checkers, I think. Is that right? Auth and then type checkers, yeah. Type checkers. Type SSR, GraphQL. Yeah. GraphQL, PWAs. SSGs. And then mobile. Okay, I think we're good. 1 through 17. Export to movie. Okay. I guess I'll stop streaming anyway, no one's even here. Pretty sure no one's actually watching. Nope, no one's here.